There they go, there they go. Woo! Oh, there she go. Let's go. Whoa. Damn. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back, baby, with another video. Whoa, man, I'm about to go. Woo. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? So right now, man, I'm headed to another race meetup event, when they call it. And I'm sure you seen the last video where it was Dallas versus Houston. So apparently this time it is going to be Texas versus Arizona versus Florida versus Alabama and Kansas, something like that. So I'm actually on my way there right now to go watch, you know, and if I get a chance to race somebody who is over 250 pounds, I might do it, you know, but a lot of people on my size. But anyway, hopefully it'll be a good time. I know my boy, you know, boy Jack Be Quick gonna be here. Man, hold up, gonna be here. A lot of the guys that was here last time, I think, plus the new guys from like Arizona and all that. So it should be some pretty good bikes, fast bikes. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see. Man, this bike is amazing. Sheesh, I probably should have took it the other way. Seems like there's an accident going that way. I see the ambulance and stuff. Oh yeah, it was an accident. Dang, what is that? Man, something happened, like somebody flipped over. Oh man, I hope everybody okay. I just see a whole bunch of smoke right here. It's always accidents in here somewhere, guys, like always. Like, oh, the car like it's on fire. Oh, it is on fire. Oh, it's burning down. You can smell it too. Half shift. So I just half shifted right there. I didn't even click the freaking shifter up. Hopefully it'll be a good time. Hopefully everybody be safe. Go out there and have some fun. You know, we'll catch y'all when we get over there. All right, guys. So Jack and Mr. Scrippy about to do some test hit real quick. Go out and flag them. You know what I'm saying? Real quick. I don't think I'm ready today, man. I think I might have a good time. But you got a 2020. You got Mr. Show Love, me on the ZX10. It's clean, beautiful bike. Y'all, we out here. So yeah, we got Warren G, Jack, Mr. Scrippy, Solo over here. Badass bike. I see you, baby. Yeah, so and we got two more guys behind us. Not sure who it is. I think they just want to do a test hit. I think they both running something new on their bikes, you know, so they want to test it out, see how it goes. I don't know, something like that shit. Y'all know I ain't really about that race life. Woo! There go Jack on his hit. Oh, front wheel came up. Y'all saw that shit? Front wheel came all the way up. Ooh, yes sir. Oh, there she go. Woo! Yes sir. We got Warren G for Solo. There they go. There they go. Woo! Yes, sir. There they go. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! Jack doing a test hit. Oh. There they go, there they go. Oh, get it down. Dope, bro. Okay, Jack. Jack almost came up on me on that one. Oh. The motor? Damn. Yeah, he leaking. That oil? That's oil. I'm back here and shit. I'm gonna go to the jack so far. Like, what the fuck is that?
pan to the drain fluid. Like the oil pan.
Okay, right here.
That road is smooth.
Yeah. Damn, oil all on that back tire. Hey, watch that oil. So it's the oil pan?
Yeah.
It busted?
Yeah, it's busted. Hey, did you really or just bottom out? Bottom out at the top.
Yeah. That
was my day.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Oil pan. Bust the oil pan. Bust the oil pan. Like it hit bottomed out, hit the bottom, you know, hit the ground. But look how much oil on his tire. You lucky, bro. You could whoop, whoop. You see that shit shiny as fuck. And so Jack Day ended early, man. Man. What we got, like a procession or something going? Got like a funeral. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we got a procession going. You good? You want to take Mars back and he racing? Huh?
You gotta go after a while, right?
Yeah, like an hour or so.
I'll take it.
You sure? I'll stay out here with you, bro. Yeah, you ain't out here by yourself. So we gonna stay behind. They gonna go get Jack's trailer. You got cops everywhere, man. Jack, you started all this, bro. I know you want to be YouTube famous, man, but you ain't gotta purposely not put your oil plug in, man, to get the cops out here and put on YouTube, man. Oh, hey, this gonna be a thumbnail. Thumbnail. All right, guys. So Jack gone. It's a funny story. I actually removed. I took my license plate off, and of course, the day I took my license plate off, we got a whole bunch of cops behind us and shit. Like a whole bunch of cops. And this one behind me right now, and I ain't got no plate. No plate on there. Hope he don't pull me over. They going around. Woo! Thank you, Jesus. Woo! But anyway, yeah, he wasn't tripping. All right, guys, I'm about to race the ZS14. It ain't gonna be nothing pretty. I already know it's not. Hold on. You ready? Yeah, buddy, hell no. It's stock. Good shit though, good shit. Came back out, me and my boy behind me. Forget it. We met a few times back, a while back. He on the S1K as well. Bitch is beautiful, man. So he on the S1K. We just went and caught up to the group. I don't know if he gonna run. Oh, he on it. He on it. Nah, I used to be about that life, man. I just got a little older than that, a little wiser, you know. There they go, there they go. Woo! 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 There they go, there they go. Woo! Shit! Woo! Neutral. Hey, Willie, I see you, baby. Woo! Woo! That boy on the wheelie in that bitch. Okay, I see you, baby. I see you. You wanna go? Yeah. All right. So guys, what you just saw was a failed attempt of this right here. So that was my man, Dude Mungus. Y'all definitely go check him out on Instagram and YouTube. I had a link in the description below. Energy is always on 20. I ain't gonna say 10 because he's always on 20 with it. Definitely check out him and this beautiful Ducati named Deadshot, man. Dude Mungus, keep doing your thing, man. Keep grinding, love the content. Keep that energy, bro. And hey, we gonna catch you one day. Weight advantage, baby. That weight advantage ain't no joke, man. Oh, shit. Taking L's, baby. Taking L's.